To send money from Ireland to Pakistan, you will need to follow a series of steps. First, you need to choose a money transfer service that operates in both countries, such as banks, online money transfer services, or currency exchange offices. Popular options include Western Union, MoneyGram, and online services like TransferWise or PayPal. Once you have selected a service, gather the necessary information, including the recipient's name, address, and bank account details in Pakistan. If you are using a bank, you will need the recipient's IBAN and SWIFT code. For online services, you may need to create an account and verify your identity. Next, check the exchange rates and fees associated with the transfer. Different services offer different rates, so it is essential to compare them to get the best deal. Some services may also offer promotions or discounts, so it is worth looking out for these. Now, initiate the transfer by following the service's instructions. This may involve filling out a form, providing the recipient's details, and specifying the amount you want to send. You will also need to pay for the transfer, which can usually be done by bank transfer, credit card, or debit card. After initiating the transfer, you will receive a reference number or tracking code. Use this to monitor the status of the transfer and ensure it is delivered to the recipient. The transfer time can vary depending on the service and the payment method, but most transfers are completed within a few hours or days. Finally, inform the recipient of the transfer and provide them with the reference number or tracking code. This will help them track the transfer and collect the money. It is also a good idea to keep a record of the transfer, including the reference number, date, and amount sent, in case you need to refer to it later. In terms of best practices, always use a reputable and licensed money transfer service, and be wary of services that offer unusually high exchange rates or low fees, as these may be scams. Additionally, make sure to verify the recipient's details carefully to avoid errors or delays. By following these steps and best practices, you can send money from Ireland to Pakistan quickly, securely, and efficiently.